Good morning students, myself Gaurav Kumar Sharma, and in today's class we are going to start examples 5C under the chapter multiplication. In the previous class we have discussed about rule of sign in case of multiplication, and in class we will start to solve our examples 5C. And in the very first question we are given some variables with their numeric values, and we have to solve with the help of these numeric value our given problems. For an example, question is we have some variables like a, and the value of a is -1, the value of b is 0, the value of c is -2, the value of n is 1, and the value of q is -3, and we have to find the value of some of the problems we have in this exercise. Let's start from the problem number 1. In the problem number 1 we have an algebraic term 3c, and we have to find the value of this algebraic term. As you can see here that the value of c, the numeric value of c is given here -2, so we will put here just the numeric value of c. So in place of c we will write its numeric value and we will solve it. As in the previous class we have discussed about the rule of sign. The product of different sign is always negative. So you can see here this 3 has a positive sign and this 2 has a negative sign. So here in both the terms signs are different, so their product will be negative. So our answer will be negative. 3 into 2 will be 6. So our answer will be -6. Now let's move on to next question, question number 3. In this question again we have an algebraic term a, and we have to find the value of this. Now we will put here the numeric value of a as well as the numeric value of n. So what is the numeric value of a? We are given in the question. It is -1, and the numeric value of n is 1. Again we have different sign, so the product of different sign will be negative, and 1 into 1 will be 1, so our answer will be -1. Now move on to the question number 11. In the question number 11, -3a to the power 4, the problem is -3a to the power 4, and we have to find this value, find the value of this algebraic term. So we will put the numeric value of a. So numeric value of a is -1 here. Students, before we solve this question, I would like to mention one very important thing here. If we have a negative quantity, and on that negative quantity if we have an odd power, we have a negative quantity and the power on that negative quantity is an odd number, then the value of that negative quantity will always be negative. Okay, and if the power on any negative quantity is an even number, then the value of that negative quantity will always be positive. So if there is a negative quantity and the power on negative quantity is an even number, then the value will be positive, and if the power is an odd number, then the value will be negative. So you can see here we have a negative quantity -1, and the power on this negative quantity is an even number. So whatever the value we will get here, that will be positive, and we will get the positive value 1 here, because when we will multiply 1 up to 4 times, we will get 1, and because the power is an even number, so the value will be positive. So always remember this. Okay, now -3 into 1, -3. Now move on to the question number 21. In this question we have an algebraic expression 3a minus 2y plus 4k, and the value of a is given here in the question. The value of a is given -3. So in place of a we will put -3. In place of y we will put -1. the value of these variables, the numeric value of these variables are given in the question. I am just writing the value of these variables, and the value of k is given here 0. So we will put in place of k 0. So 3 into 3 9, and this is plus and this is minus. So product of different sign will be negative. Now the product of same sign, minus and minus, will be positive. 2 into 1 2, and 4 into 0 0. Minus 9 plus 2 will be minus 7 here. Okay. So that was our problem number 21. Now let's try to solve problem number 27. In this some powers are given. A minus a square minus ay plus 3y square. Okay, now just put the values of a, y and y here. The value of a is given minus 3. So in place of a, we will put minus 3. The value of y is here minus 1. So in place of y, we just put minus 1. Now, we have a negative quantity and the power on that negative quantity is an even number. So according to our rule, this value will be a positive value. And we know that the square of 3 is 9. So we will write inside the bracket plus 9. Okay. Now minus into minus. Okay. Minus 3 into minus 1. Numbers with same sign, so their multiplication will be positive. So we will get 3 plus 3. And again we have a negative quantity, and on that negative quantity we have an even number, even power. So the value of this will be positive. So we will get positive 1 here. Now just remove your brackets. Minus 9 minus 3 plus 3. Minus 9 and minus 3, the numbers are with same sign, so we will add them and take the sign of negative. So minus 12 plus 3. Numbers with different sign, we will subtract them and take the sign of the greater number, that is 12, that is negative, minus 9. Okay, so our answer will be minus 9 here. So student, this is how we can apply our rule, that is the value of a negative quantity will be negative if the power on that negative quantity is an odd number, and the value will be positive if the power is an even number. So we can apply this rule to solve such kind of problem.